Hello everyone, welcome. Have you ever said something like, I would go yesterday, or, you must can help me? Don't worry, modal verbs confuse everyone. Let's clear it up in just 3 minutes, with a few laughs on the way. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are those little helping words like can, could, may, might, will, would, must, shall, should, ought to. They change the tone or meaning of the verb. For example, I go, okay, you go. I can go, you're able to go. I should go, it's a good idea. I might go, maybe, maybe not. They're like actors giving emotion and meaning to boring verbs. They follow a simple rule. Modal plus base verb, no, to, no, ing, no, ed. She should go, is correct. She should to go, is incorrect. She should goes, is incorrect too. She should go, is correct. Let's break down a few popular ones. Can, could, ability or permission. I can swim, I know how. Could I leave early? Polite request. I can to swim, nope, no to. Just, can plus verb. Should, advice or recommendation. You should eat more vegetables. It's like a friendly suggestion, not a rule. You should to eat, nope again, no to. Would, hypothetical or polite. I would travel more if I had money. It's not real, just imagining. Would you help me? Very polite. Think of would as your polite, dreamy, what if friend. Might, may, possibility. It might rain tomorrow. She may come later, uncertain. Trick, if you're 50% about something, use might or may. Let's recap the golden rule. Modal plus base verb, always, no, to, no endings. Modal verbs, small words, big meaning. Use them well, and your English sounds smoother, smarter, and more natural. Want more quick lessons? Like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. See you next time.